Good morning, teachers. I am Rohan. I am studying second standard. I hope you all are safe at home. I would like to perform act. Hello, my name is coronavirus. My nickname is COVID-19. So, let me introduce myself with some facts. I am really very small, but very powerful. I love traveling. I jump from person to person to cough and sneeze. Achoo. I will come to visit you, then I make you feel sick. If you think I don't want to visit you, then follow my advice. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue when you cough and sneeze. Achoo. Use sanitizer frequently. Cover your mouth and nose with face mask. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and face. Avoid touching others. No shake hands. Only namaste, no hugs and no high five. If you follow this advice and stay away from you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akshay. Today I will say about this virus. The virus shown here is called coronavirus. It causes COVID-19. Some of its symptoms are cold, fever, body pain, and cough. During this pandemic time, we need to take some precautions to feel safe. We should stay at home. We should maintain physical distancing. We should wash our hands frequently. We should wear mask while going out. Physical distancing is important because it is one of the few ways to stop coronavirus to spread. Coronavirus can enter our body through our eyes, nose and mouth. So it is important to cover our nose and mouth with the help of mask. Let us stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandri. Today I am going to say about COVID-19. How does COVID-19 spread? COVID-19 spreads through respiratory droplets. Respiratory droplets are very small droplets of fuel that can come from lungs, nose and mouth. When a person coughs or sneeze, or talk, the droplets come out. These droplets come out from saliva. How can we protect ourselves coming into contact? We can protect ourselves coming into contact. We should stay at home and we should maintain physical distances. In this way, we can protect ourselves coming into contact. A symptomatic person, how can a symptomatic person spread the virus? A symptomatic person can spread the virus in the same way. The people who feel ill, it happens through the spread on follow droplets. How can washing our hands help us? Washing our hands help us to get rid of bacteria, germs and virus. Explain why maintaining physical distance is so important. Maintaining physical distance is so important because if we maintain physical distance, we can prevent spreading COVID-19. If a person having COVID-19, a person standing so near, it can spread the virus. But at least if we maintain 2 meters physical distance, we can prevent COVID-19. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Khan, studying grade 7 in Shantiniketan Trust School. Today we are going to ask a few questions about coronavirus to Mr. Niamat Hussain. So let's begin. How many people have you interacted with in person from the past week?
Good morning everybody. See, from the past week I have been interacting with too many people, especially non-COVID people, because I have not come across any COVID time being. So, especially non-COVID person, I've been interacting around 20 to 25 people from the last 1 week.
How many people did you interact with in person today?
Today, I usually go in the morning hours around 9:30. So, I think I've interacted around 7 to 8 people in person who are especially non-COVID. Again,
What are all the precautions you are taking to prevent yourselves against COVID-19?
I am carrying sanitizer with me as a handy, and also wearing mask when I go out. I cover my face through with the mask, and as well as regularly sanitize my hands. And when I come back from the office, I do take a bath.
What all precautions do you think that the people you meet take against COVID-19?
Certainly, it's the same thing. Whatever I am doing it, I really recommend the people who are traveling out, especially to carry a handy sanitizer with them so that they can sanitize their hands regularly and cover their mouth with face mask.
So how do you think that COVID-19 is affecting our household?
It is affecting our household because it's been 6 months now. I still miss out going out with my family, having dinner in the lavish hotels, traveling across, which has really put to an end due to this COVID situation. So I feel that this is really affecting the household because my kids could not go out, and especially I can't enjoy the moments spent with them outside the world.
How is it affecting the community?
It is affecting the community in one way. It is bringing down our economy. As you know, the GDP has really come down when compared to last year. Last month itself, our GDP was down by 23%, which is really affecting lots of people. It has really put an effect on lots of employments. People have lost their jobs. Their livelihood has come to zero level. They are really in a bother level. So I really feel this COVID has really affected the economy, due to which things are becoming irregular.
Hi everyone, I'm Srijana from 7th Shantiniketan Trust School. So as you guys know the pandemic situation right now, based on that I've asked a few questions. The first person is Mr. Srinivas sir. So I'm going to be asking you some questions. So the first question is, how many people did you interact with in person today?
You mean I interacting with others, huh?
Yeah.
Like my friends?
Yeah.
Some 6 to 8 people I interacted. Huh?
How many people do you think you interacted with in person the last week?
Last, to say average of 4 persons per day. Average 4 persons per day. We can take it.
Okay.
Today I happen to talk to 6 people.
Okay.
Almost elderly people. We are all friends. We observe all the important formalities,
Okay.
which is no been a problem.
Okay. Are you taking precautions to protect yourself against COVID-19? If so, what are you doing?
That's a very important and good question. I use mask when I go outside, and I don't go any place for animals and other things. I restrict myself to house. Then I take hot water, hot food I take. I take precautions for the food also. We keep distance each person. When I meet friends, something like 6 feet each person we meet.
Okay.
Talk whatever we want and discuss.
Okay. Do you think the people you are interacting with are taking precautions? If so, what are they doing?
I think we are all same level of thinking. They also do the same thing.
Okay.
They also do the same.
Okay. How do you think COVID-19 is affecting our whole household?
Because we are taking all precautionary measures, whatever said in the Arogya Setu and instructions as and when from the government, through news media, through persons, we are taking precautionary measures. So I think that's a good thing to ward off the epidemic like corona. We are able to prevent it.
Okay. How do you think COVID-19 is affecting our community?
This is a developed area, you know. This third phase we are in, developed area, and all educated almost. and 1 or 2, I should say 1%, say 1% of the population is being affected because of our good habits and good contacts. Not much.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ananya Rao from class 9D. Today I'll be talking about coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of related RNA viruses that cause respiratory illness. There are no medicines to prevent or treat coronavirus. The name coronavirus is derived from the Latin word corona, meaning crown, which in turn is borrowed from the Greek word coronae, meaning garland. The name was given by June Almeida and David Tyrrell based on the appearance of the virions. Virions are the infective form of coronavirus. This is how coronavirus looks under the microscope. A novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2 or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, has been causing the worldwide pandemic COVID-19. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease of 2019. The first case was reported on December 1, 2019 in Wuhan of Hubei province in China. Coronavirus transmits through the droplets that are released into the air by an infected person. COVID-19 may be symptomatic or asymptomatic. A survey was conducted to find out different opinions about COVID-19. 10 people took part in the survey. The questions asked were, how many people did you interact with in person today and in the last week? Are you taking precautions? Do you know if the people you are interacting with are taking precautions? How do you think COVID-19 is affecting the household and our community? The results were, children were not allowed to go out. E-shopping was preferred. Things that were brought home were necessarily sanitized. While going out, masks were worn and physical distancing was observed. If the marketplace was crowded, it was not preferred to go there. The response of the people regarding the effect of COVID-19 on the society was similar. Many people have lost their jobs and the economy has fallen down. Always, precaution is better than cure. So, let us stay home and stay safe. Thank you.